Welcome to the material session of Pulsar's Career Point. This is a video for the student of class 11 on Unit 1. The name of the unit is Basic Concept in Chemistry. This is the part 7 video of this unit covering the topics valency. गत वीडियो आम सिंबल कथा पढ़ी एम भैलेंसी कथा पढ़ू भैलेंसी ओल्ड कनसेप्ट कथा पढ़ू मॉडर्न कनसेप्ट कथा पढ़ू और वेरिएबल भैलेंसी कथा पढ़ू एबे जिबा व्हाट डू मीन बाय valency according to old concept. Valency of an element may be defined as the number of hydrogen atoms or the number of chlorine atoms or double the number of oxygen atoms with which one atom of that element combines. गोटे एलिमेंट रो गोटे एटम जेतक हाइड्रोजन एटम सहित कंबाइन करे बा जेतक क्लोरीन एटम सहित कंबाइन करे बा जेतक ऑक्सीजन एटम सहित कंबाइन करे तार द्विगुणा सही एलिमेंट रो वैलेंसी. फॉर एग्जांपल इन NH3 one atom of nitrogen combines with 3 atoms of hydrogen, so the valency of nitrogen is 3. In AlCl3 one atom of aluminum is combined with 3 atoms of chlorine, so the valency of aluminum is 3. In MgO magnesium oxide one atom of magnesium is combined with 1 atom of oxygen, so the valency of magnesium is 2 into 1, that is 2. कारण डेफिनेशन कहला ऑक्सीजन जदि कंबाइन करे तार जत्ते की ऑक्सीजन एटम सहित कंबाइन करिवो तार 2 गुना तार वैलेंसी हो. ओल्ड कॉन्सेप्ट करे भी मॉडर्न कॉन्सेप्ट पर नजर पकेबा कारण ओल्ड कॉन्सेप्ट केवल हाइड्रोजन क्लोरीन और ऑक्सीजन एटम को नहीं कंसीडर कला. यदि यही तीनोटी एलिमेंट को छाड़ी अदर एलिमेंट सहित गोटे एटम कंबाइन करे ताले तार वैलेंसी कथा डिस्कशन कला नहीं. So modern concept कौन कहला? According to the modern concept, the valency may be defined as the number of electrons lost, gained or shared with one atom of the element in order to acquire the nearest stable inert gas configuration. निकटतम निष्क्रिय गैस रूप धारण करिबा पाई गोटी एलिमेंट रो गोटे एटम जेतिकटी इलेक्ट्रॉन त्याग करे बा ग्रहण करे बा शेयर करे आमे ताकू तार वैलेंसी बोली कहि थाउ. फॉर एग्जांपल इन NaCl सोडियम Na loses 1 electron to acquire nearest stable inert gas configuration like neon, that is 280, and chlorine receives 1 electron to acquire the nearest stable inert gas configuration like argon, that is 288. All the inert gas elements are zero valent, that is their valency is 0. एबे देखिबा वेरिएबल वैलेंसी किछि एलिमेंट अछंती जो मानकर मोर देन 1 वैलेंसी थाय आमे समानकर वेरिएबल वैलेंसी अछि बोली कहिबा. Some of the elements of E block like arsenic, antimony, tin, lead, etc. and most of the elements of D block, that is chromium, manganese, iron, copper, mercury, gold, etc. exhibit more than 1 valency and are said to have variable valency. For lower valency, the name of the element ends with os, and for higher valency, the name of the element will ends on ik. Lower valency os से सरीबो, higher valency ik से सरीबो. For example, mercury, its valency is 1 and 2. When its valency is 1, it is known as mercurous. In case of mercury, its valency is 2. Similarly, antimony, in case of antimonous, it is 3. In case of antimony, its valency is 5. Copper, in case of cuprous, it is 1. In case of cupric, it is 2. Chromium, 2, 3. Lead, 2, 4. Manganese, 2, 3. Tin, 2, 4. Cobalt, 2, 3. Arsenic, 3, 5. Gold, 1, 3. Iron, 2, 3. That is, in case of ferrous, it is 2. In case of ferric, it is 3. ଏବେ ଲେଖିବା atomic number, symbol, atomic mass and valence. Atomic number 1, name of the element is hydrogen, symbol H, atomic mass 1, valency is also 1. Atomic number 2, helium He, atomic mass 4, valency 0. Lithium Li, atomic mass 7, valency 1. Beryllium Be, atomic mass 9, valency 2. Boron B, atomic mass 11, valency 3. Carbon, atomic mass 12, valency 4. Nitrogen N, atomic mass 14, valency 3. Oxygen O, atomic mass 16, valency 2. Fluorine F, atomic mass 19, valency 1. Neon Ne, atomic mass 20, valency is 0. Similarly, for atomic number 11, sodium, atomic symbol is Na because Latin name is natrium. Its atomic mass is 23 and valency is 1. Magnesium Mg, atomic mass 24, valency 2. Aluminum Al, atomic mass 27, valency 3. Silicon Si, atomic mass 28, valency 4. Phosphorus P, atomic mass 31, valency 3 and 5. Sulfur S, atomic mass 32, valency 2, 4, 6. Sulfur chlorine, atomic mass 35.5, valency 1. Argon Ar, atomic mass 40, valency 0. Potassium K, because its Latin name is Kalium, atomic mass 39, valency 1. Calcium Ca, atomic mass 40, valency is 2. Similarly, for 21, the atom is an element is known as scandium. Symbol is Sc, atomic mass 45, valency 3. Titanium Ti, atomic mass 48, valency 4. Vanadium B, atomic mass 51, valency 5 and 4. Chromium Cr, atomic mass 52, valency 2 and 3. Manganese Mn, atomic mass 55, valency 2, 4, 7. Iron Fe, because its Latin name is ferrum, atomic mass 56, valency 2, 3. Cobalt Co, atomic mass 59, valency 2, 3. Nickel Ni, atomic mass 59, valency 2. Copper Cu, atomic mass 63.5, valency 1 and 2. Zinc Zn, atomic mass 65, valency is 2. Students, you must have to learn the symbol atomic mass up to at least atomic number 30. Thanks for watching Opal Sir's Career Point. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are watching it for the first time.